What's up, everyone? James Jernigan here, and I'm really excited to give you guys a sneak peek at the latest course I'm launching that's going to show you how to turn your social media accounts into a profit generating machine that runs 24/7. And the best part is, there's no getting on camera, there's no complicated editing, there's no spending hours online. We're literally going to make this work by just clicking buttons. So, if that sounds good to you, I want to take a few minutes to show you how I've earned tens of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions with these simple AI generated videos that I upload to all of my different social media accounts like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. And for those of you who stick around until the end of the video, I'm not only going to show you what is going to be included in this course I'm launching, but I want to show you how to get the best price by grabbing early bird access and exactly what you get if you take action and do that now. So what I'm going to show you here, I've been able to do while traveling clear across the country for the past 2 years. So here's a map. You could see all the different places I've been over the past year and a half or 2 years or so, all while doing what I'm showing you here, which is important because it only takes an hour or two per day. This is not something that's going to take up all of your time. This is not a new job. So here is how this works. The first step is to select a high converting offer to promote. And I'm going to give you a checklist of the hottest affiliate offers I know of that you can just start sharing links to and earning money. Then I'm going to show you how to generate viral videos with AI, again, just by clicking buttons. I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. I'm going to show you how to schedule these videos to all the different platforms with a single click so you don't have to log into each platform individually. This is just completely automated. Then I'm going to show you how to convert those video viewers into an email list that you own so that you can sell these people things over and over and over again. And of course, we're going to do that using AI generated emails that sell products on autopilot. So here's a better look at what that looks like. This is the AI video generation tool, and literally all you have to do here is type your idea into this box, or if you want to use an exact script, you can click this button and do that too. There's a few different options for changing the voice, for adding music, for adding captions and all that, but ultimately this is how I'm able to quickly generate these AI videos that get hundreds and sometimes thousands of views each. And then of course what I do is I turn those views into clicks and sales and affiliate commissions. So that's what I'm trying to show you, how to do the exact same thing using these different AI tools. So if you take action now, you're not only going to get the best price, but here's everything you get in this course. Again, this course is launching on April 20th. It's not out yet. I want to make sure you're aware of that. But once it's out, this is what's going to be included. You're not only going to get a list of hot affiliate offers that are proven to convert, you're going to get an introduction to AI so you understand everything that we're doing. I'm going to show you how to do AI prompting for text, images, and video content. I'm going to show you how to do AI video generation, again, generating videos with one click that are actually going to make you sales. I'm going to show you how to create a lead magnet, and what that is going to do is effortlessly build your list. It's going to have people clamoring to get on your list so that you can sell them stuff. I'm going to show you how to create landing pages using AI, how to create AI email sequences, and even how to set up a social media chat bot that will automatically reply to all of your comments and messages. So for those of you who take action right now, I have 3 bonuses to include. You're immediately going to get 30 ready to upload short videos. These are already done videos. These are videos that I've posted to my accounts that you can just start uploading to your account and getting hundreds, if not thousands of views. The second bonus I have is I'm going to give you my complete make money on TikTok course, a $4.97 value. Lots of people have paid that price for that, but you are not going to have to if you take action soon. So the third bonus I'm going to get is my full YouTube CTR manipulation course. I'm going to throw that in as well. Lots of people have paid $297 for that. So here's exactly what these 2 courses look like. The Make Money on TikTok course looks like this. You're going to log in and there's a handful of videos here. It looks like 7 videos here that walk you through the process. And of course I have links in here. I have a checklist and additional resources. So you'll get access to this course right away. You can go through at your leisure. This is a few hours of content right here. Then, like I said, I'm also going to throw in my YouTube CTR manipulation course. And what this is going to do is show you how to rank videos on YouTube. So here is the course itself. You'll be able to instantly log in and watch this course as well. And just so you get an idea of how powerful this is, what this is a way to rank your videos. So I've done this for one of my wife's videos here. So if you search internet for travelers here, and we scroll down a few results. Here's my wife's video right here from 6 months ago, 4,500 views. But if you pay attention here, you'll see this is sandwiched between videos that have 269,000 views and 344,000 views. So what the YouTube CTR manipulation course is going to let you do is essentially cheat with your YouTube videos and just slap them right on the first page of search results so that they get a ton of views and people actually see them, and of course click your affiliate links. My wife has made hundreds of dollars from her affiliate link in this video, and of course that's how I've earned tens of thousands of dollars promoting a variety of different offers, all of which you are going to get access to on the checklist of hot affiliate offers. So all you have to do is take action right now. Click the button down below on this page, grab early bird access, and like I said, you'll get 2 courses that you can log into right away, as well as 30 ready to upload short videos so you start getting views on your channel. And then, of course, on April 20th, I will see you inside the full course for the rest of these videos. I hope that helps, and I can't wait to see you inside the course.